As a teenager, Prakash Bhandari was an exciting prospect. A hard-hitting right-hand batsman and a more than useful off-break bowler, Bhandari was a star at the university level. Not yet 20, he was picked for the tour of Pakistan in 1954-55 and made his debut in the final test of the series. He then played against New Zealand at New Delhi in 1955-56 when coming in at number 8 he helped Nadkarni to add 73 runs for the 7th wicket, his share being a bright 39. He again played in one test against Australia at Calcutta the following season without much success and was never picked after that. Considering the promise he had held out at the start of his career, Bhandari was a disappointment. But he had a fine first-class record spread over nearly 2 decades. Always an aggressive batsman, Bhandari recorded the then fastest century in Indian first-class cricket in 60 minutes for Bengal against Rajasthan at Udaipur in 1961-62. His career best score was 227 for Delhi against Patiala in 1957-58. Almost 10 years later he was still good enough to get an unbeaten 202 against Punjab. In his first-class career, Bhandari scored 2453 runs, 32.70, including 4 centuries, and took 122 wickets, 28.17. Prakash Bhandari debuted in Test cricket against Pakistan at Karachi on 26 February 1955. His last Test match was against Australia at Eden Gardens, Kolkata, on 2 November 1956. Prakash Bhandari played 3 Test matches, 4 innings, and scored only 77 runs with a poor batting average of 19.25. His highest score of 39 against New Zealand at Delhi in 1955 doesn't matter, as the Test ended in a dull draw. As a fielder he took 1 catch. Prakash Bhandari had a good first-class record. He played 63 matches, 86 innings, and scored 2,552 runs with a decent batting average of 32.71. His highest score in first-class cricket is 227. He has 4 centuries in his kitty. He also took 50 catches as a fielder in first-class cricket. Prakash Bhandari also took 122 wickets in first-class cricket with a very good bowling average of 28.24. His best bowling in first-class cricket is 7 for 54.